Welcome back to the Trick Shift Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your taillight assembly that happens to be broke. Like this. And look, I even got a little souvenir in there, a little twig. So I got new taillight assemblies, and I got these off of Amazon. Okay, I'll have a link in the description below for them. But it was I got both ones, driver and passenger side, because they were both actually cracked. This one over here on the passenger side, same problem, like the lens separated from the housing. Now the process for removing the driver's side is going to be the same as the passenger side. So let's get started. All right, so first up is we're going to remove these two plastic fasteners here, and you just want to use your flathead screwdriver and kind of wiggle in there on the top part, and then peel out the back one. Same for this one. Flathead, pop it out, then go ahead and take out the base. This is how one should look. Pull back our carpeting cover. What we're going to do is pull out these little plastic tabs you'll see on your wiring harness. This big white one up here. Okay, move them out of the way. It'll expose these two metal studs. These are the two that hold your taillight assembly on. Grab your 8mm socket or wrench, either one will be fine. Go ahead and break it loose. Break this one loose. Okay, here's one. Okay, here's the other. All right, so now that we got the inside done, we got to go over here and pull the taillight assembly out from the outside. I'm going to use this plastic, it's kind of an upholstery tool for the actual interior of a car, but this is a perfect spot to use it because it prevents you damaging the bodywork, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start up top here, kind of just pry at it. Just pop it out basically. All right, just like that. Okay, so on top of the two metal studs, there's going to be 1, 2, and there's actually a third plastic one here. You want to make sure you pop those out with your plastic tool, okay? So once you have it out, you're going to go ahead and you're going to remove all the sockets and bulbs from the taillight assembly. So this one here is the reverse. All you do pretty much on all of them is you're just going to turn it counterclockwise or loose, and then you just pull it out, okay? Up here's the blinker. Rotate, pull it out. And then here's the brake light bulb. Take that, pull it out. Okay. And then lastly, there's a little one up here for the side marker light. There's no tabs on it, but same thing, you just rotate it and it comes out. Once you got those 4 bulbs out, the taillight assembly should be clear to pull. So here's the old one. This clear lens got separated. That's probably how the little twig got in there somehow. Oh, this is the passenger side. Okay, back in there for now. Open it up. All right, so this is the new one. Gonna sit like that, and just looking over it, making sure everything looks good as long as it fits into place. So it's gonna go like this. Blinker's gonna be on top. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. We got the new one here. We're gonna go ahead and put all of our bulbs back in. Each socket is basically a different size except for the blinker and the brake light bulbs. So this little guy here, this little tiny one, he's gonna go way up here. It's a side marker light, and you just put it in there and twist it until it locks into place. Now this one right here is your reverse light bulb. That goes down here. Once you get it fit it, you're just gonna twist it in place. Basically the quickest way to find out which bulb is which, you'll see 3 lights going to the brake light bulb and only 2 going to the blinker. We're gonna put the blinker one way up here. There we go. All right, and if you ever get confused, just look at the actual taillight and you'll match which bulb goes into where. And this lastly is the brake light bulb. Again, that has 3 wires. One's a running light and one's the actual brake light when you push the brakes. And then what you want to do is kind of tuck these wires into these like clips that hold the wires in place. There's another one right up here for the blinker bulb. Okay, that one's there. And there's another one right here. Carefully put it in there without breaking anything, and we'll just line up all the holes. Again, there's going to be, you got your 2 studs, they'll go here and here, and then your plastic fasteners, they just pop in to these 3 spots. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, line everything up. Okay, and then when you feel like you're in, just push straight down. Well, you might hear a pop. Oh, there goes a pop. You should hear a pop. That's the fasteners going in. I really didn't hear it on mine, but that's okay. There's going to be, I got studs that's going to keep it on the inside. Put our studs back in. All right, so now that we got our studs in, we'll grab our 8mm nuts and just screw them on. Okay, tighten these down. Just hand tight, so as soon as you feel like it tightens up, just let go. Yep, that's good. And then on here. Okay. We'll go ahead, pop in our little fasteners. And then we can take our carpet, tuck it back in place here. Then you'll take your fastener. Okay, just gonna line up the hole, push it in, and then lock it with the top. Just push that top in. Same thing on this side. Line up the hole, push it in, lock it with the top. Okay, this side's done. On to the passenger side. All right, so these are the finished new taillight assemblies. Looking good. Looking very good. Nice and clean. All right, that's it for this video. The new taillight assemblies look great. Again, I'll have a link in the description below for the exact link that I used and bought. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage videos, and we'll see you on the next one.